maka-standard ka, pastora. Ay, kay pagan. Ay, kay bro, dako kay ka.
Agoy. Good afternoon. We are now in proceeding going to Madanding area with International Care Ministry staff. This guy is Buyit. He has no dress because of the heat of the sun. And with his wife Marites Pitalier also is here. Our social worker. I invite her to visit this area so that she could see the situation in this part of Madanding. And also, ladies and gentlemen, our coordinators and part of Sultan Kudarat. If you want to see his face, that one, that guy, the handsome one, yeah, and the red one also is our Mark Alonso, our assistant director. And then this is the area of Mandanding. I don't know how many kilometers is this going to the area. No? Yeah.
Kaya palakaw. Terus din na baliga. Ay, muli pa ono. Oh, linta lang pastor. Ano nang ino?
That is Buyit. Hello, brother Buyit. Okay.
Kaya pastor ko ka. Lalaki oh. Video mo. Video sir.
That is
What's that? What you call that?
Frag.
Oo nga, malalagay pare.
Boke.
Sabihin mo kung binibinta nila yan? That is for daily food.
Di pastor ako din magkuan.
Yeah.
Sige. Nasa din ko. Ayan po si Pastor Paul. Siya po ang direktor ng Care Ministry International dito sa Sultan Kudarat. Siya ang pinaka-leader. Ang ganda.
That all guys are the one who carry the rice from the boats. And we traveled proceeding to the area of Madanding. Pastor George Soriano, the in charge of a coordinator of the Sultan Kudarat. Yeah.
Bong, kadlaw bong.
The Caraba are carrying the rice going to the Madanding because it's very far from here.
Okay,
This is a farm of the people that live in this place. Rice farm. Now become the river.
Kasi pan pastigado pagi ka mo. Ha? Pastigado pagi ka mo.
Ay, balik ko lang. Ano, ubos na yun. Balik ko. Uy, doon ulan yung bugay. Pangakaw lang siguro ba?
Sama lang. Kasi magubang karo ba? Diyan magubang na tao.
Hindi ba, hindi. Tigaan. Tigaan niyo. Dire, oh, sangga. Oh, pasakyan na.
Marites Pitaliar going to Carabao.
Ah, may isawa na na. Tanin diri ka lang nagsakay. Tiro pa ako. Oh!
Sir, mapatay ako dito pare. Ha? Ano no? Kaya pa ba? Bawasan ng bigas? Awag na. Yung maglakad na lang kami. Kaya namin maglakad. Okay. Now we are now in the that is Marites Pitaliar.